This is the reason why your reels aren't getting engagement. In today's episode, you will learn what you need in your social media strategy to make sales and boost engagement. You'll learn the mind shift you absolutely need to succeed and discover how one simple change can make your content planning a breeze. After today, no more fighting the algorithm, babe. Let's do this. Welcome to the Empowered Artist Podcast, where you'll get all the strategy to sell your art online. I'm Jenna Webb. I've helped thousands of artists realize and achieve their dream. Tune in each week as we simplify art marketing, make selling your work fun, and elevate your artpreneur mindset. Let's do the damn thing. Shout out to those of you who left podcast questions and comments on the survey and the voicemail, like Kelly, Sarah, Ark, Lori, Patty, just to name a few. I will try to incorporate those into the show soon. There is a link in the show notes and also in my newsletters that you can drop me a request anytime. We are talking about social media today, so don't miss the limited chance right now to join my free masterclass called Beat the Algorithm. And for those of you who are really serious about getting results in this area right now, you will have the chance to get your hands on my strategy guide, 18 Real Secrets to Skyrocket Your Instagram Growth. Click the link in the show notes to save your seat in the Beat the Algorithm free masterclass now. Or head directly to jennawebbart.com/sellartonsocial and show up live to learn how to get your copy of the guide for free. We have to address something before we dive into today's 4-part strategy, and that is my outfit. What the hell am I wearing? My boyfriend says it looks like Scrubs or I look like a soccer mom, but I say I look chic AF. If you're watching on YouTube or you see me on Instagram, because you're about to see this outfit on repeat, I am wearing a 2-piece silk set. It's from Amazon. It's amazing. It's peacock blue, and I'm absolutely like swimming in soft luxury. I love this, and I've dressed it up with jewelry. So I say from the ankles up, I look chic AF, but I am absolutely guilty of wearing, I'm not cool, you guys, orthopedic sandals and socks at the bottom because I'm at home. I ain't got nobody to impress. But I do like dressing up when I'm at home. It's a feeling I like to give myself. I enjoy putting on makeup even if I'm not going anywhere. It's all about how you feel, right? Before I recorded today's podcast, I was inspired to record some content for Reels, and I totally have some videos where I am going to show you my sexy orthopedic shoes, but then I go into a cute outfit change where I put on my fancy heels. As you know, this show is weekly-ish. I show up every week as much as I can. Last week, I was entertaining my parents and their best friends. We had so much fun. They're on their way out of town for vacation, flew out of Raleigh and came to see me. And I just needed a bit of a break to prepare for so many things I have coming up for you, empowered artists who want to take your business to the next level. So stay tuned for that. So if you're ready for today's 4-part strategy, let's dive in. Part 1. This is for anyone who's feeling disenchanted by the algorithm. I promise you, social media is still the hottest place to sell any product, and it is not going anywhere. It's only amplifying. Whether you've sold art online already or you're on the cusp, there are millions of buyers waiting to see your creations. They want to buy your art online, and they're just waiting for you to post so they can discover you. In fact, 130 million Instagram users tap on the shop post every single month on Instagram. That number is astounding. That shows how much major influence Instagram alone has on internet buying. 67% of consumers have purchased a product they saw in a brand social media post, and 65% of US consumers said that they saw a link that led them to purchase a product they weren't originally planning on purchasing. Part 2, what type of posts to make on social media that will generate purchases? So first, if you know what type of post to create, you can make more of them so that it will lead to sales. So what type of post would that be? Would that be a static image post, a story, a video, a reel, a TikTok? In short, the answer is all of the above, and that is key. But when we look at the data to narrow it down, it's pretty clear there is one ingredient that you cannot forget in your social media strategy. Videos on social media generate higher engagement. According to Social Sprout, video posts generate 48% more views and drive more purchases than other types of content. 44% of people prefer to learn about a new product or service by watching a short video. 87% of marketers say that video has directly increased sales. Short form video content seems to lead to the highest ROI, and that's video between 30 and 60 seconds long. We're seeing video evolve in many different ways, but the most engaging video that seems to be performing the best is video that is entertaining or funny. Part 3. So why aren't my videos or my reels getting engagement or sales? This is the required mind shift you have to have for success. If you're posting reels daily, but you are not seeing engagement, let me help you off the social media hamster wheel. But it's going to require a mind shift. If you want to make money on social media, you must first understand that social media is a place to build relationships and nurture them. You can't just toss out offers cold and expect to reel in the dough. Post and pray does not work. That's like tossing out seeds on top of soil without first planting, fertilizing, watering, and learning expert tips from the farmer down the road. You have to nurture your audience, understand how to feed the algorithm, and do both consistently. It's a science and an art. Part 4, easier content planning for busy artists. One way to do this is to mix up your content. For example, using static post, a regular post or image. It's the easiest way to stay consistent for the algorithm and your audience, which means you don't have to post a reel every day. It's much easier when you have a proven formula to simplify your workflow, just like I teach my students in the Sell Art on Social System program. To summarize, you just learned that you have to nurture your audience, learn how to feed the algorithm, and do both consistently. Once you know how to do that, social media is the ultimate environment to cultivate a loyal audience who can't wait to buy from you. Just like my student Monica, who just DM'd me saying she sold yet another painting. That was her 11th painting since she joined the Sell Art on Social System program. I remember when I wanted to quit social media, I would spend countless hours creating content instead of doing what I love to do most, create artwork. And all for what? I wasn't seeing the results to match my efforts, and I got fed up. If you're anything like me, I know you're frustrated with the algorithm too. With my chronic migraines marginalizing the hours that I can actually function each day, I was forced to create efficient systems to survive this journey of artpreneurship. But oh man, the results from my challenges have been marvelous, and I am so grateful that I get to share them with you now. That's how the Sell Art on Social System was born. And wow, it's a game changer. It's for busy artists who want a proven system that's done for you to get better social media results in way less time. The Sell Art on Social System is the complete system to transform your social media sales and your content planning workflow forever, where you will get fully customized content to authentically sell your art on social media, all done for you in minutes. There is nothing like this for artists anywhere else. And the only place to get it is in my free masterclass called Beat the Algorithm. If you want to 10x your sales and social media presence and save 8 hours a week strategizing, then click the link in the show notes to save your seat in the Beat the Algorithm free masterclass now. or head directly to jennawebart.com/sellartonsocial. When you come to the free training, I'll tell you exactly how to get a free copy of my ultimate strategy guide, the 18 real secrets to skyrocket your Instagram growth. I'll see you inside. If you loved this episode, it would mean so much to me if you shared it with another artist or shared on social media and tagged me at Jenna Web Art so I can personally thank you. To grow your art business right now, check out the free resources in the show notes or head directly to jennawebart.com. Thanks for listening, following, and dropping a 5-star written review. I am cheering you on every step of the way. I'll catch you right here next week.